Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you FanDuel how to deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your FanDuel app, and once you open it, here what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you have logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to your account page or account section. Now all you gotta do is click on withdraw or click on add funds, and once you click on add funds, here you'll be sent to the add funds page. Now once you scroll down, here you'll also find other deposit methods that are already present in the app. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the payment method, and once you select the payment method, let's assume you selected the bank. Choose the amount that you want to deposit and then select the bank if it's available right here, or if it's not, simply tap on this search and then search for your bank and select it. Now once you do that, here you will be asked to sign into your bank. All you gotta do is enter in your username and password and then click on agree and sign in. And once you do that, here you will be asked to verify your deposit. All you gotta do is just simply check all the details and then click on deposit, and once the deposit process is complete, here you will be seeing this kind of information, and that's basically how you can deposit in FanDuel. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.